view new homes, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome, dear guests, to the enchanting abode at 40 Jackson Lane. As we embark on this tour, prepare to be captivated by the charm of this home, nestled in the heart of nature's bounty. As we approach, the first thing that strikes you is the wide-open view of Sand Pond and the hills beyond. The home is perched just a few steps from the shore, offering a panorama that changes with the seasons. Each sunset across the water serves as a gentle reminder to slow down and absorb the beauty around us. And if that doesn't do the trick, the wild call of the loons surely will. Stepping inside, you'll find a bright, sunny camp with an open floor plan. The cathedral ceilings and a wall of windows look onto Sand Pond, allowing sunlight reflecting off the pond to spangle the walls throughout. The large kitchen, fully equipped with newer appliances, features a breakfast bar made from live-edged planks. 2 bedrooms flank a large bathroom with a contemporary tub and laundry facilities. The bright floors are local pine, sourced from a mill just a few miles away. But the outdoors is the main event. A deck faces the water, encouraging hours of lounging. A few steps from there is the sunny dock, big enough for lounging, swimming, turtle watching, loon-calling, and picnicking. The large lot encompasses a sunny yard, some woods, and plentiful parking. The pond is stocked with fish, which you will see cruising the shoreline. This camp has a strong rental history and faithful renters. Although technically seasonal, it was rented one winter with no heat or freezing problems. The seller prefers to sell furnished, and the price is $450,000. Thank you for joining me on this tour. This home is not just a place, it's an experience, a retreat that offers peace, comfort, and a touch of magic. We hope you found it as enchanting as we do. Enjoy your stay at 40 Jackson Lane.